I know how much you all enjoy sanding joint compound, so I thought I'd share a trick with you. Now in this case, you see we have damage on the ceiling, is water damage from a leak up above. We've since repaired the leak. Now we have to scrape off the popcorn and spread compound on it and start all over again. It doesn't require a lot of sanding. The tool you typically use to sand drywall compound is a pole sander. I don't happen to have a pole sander, so I made one. I simply took a sponge mop, the kind that has the replaceable sponges. I popped off the sponge, I wrapped it in 100 grit sandpaper, and I put it back on. On the back of it, it has a couple little wing nuts that hold it in place, so you can replace the sponge, or in this case the sandpaper. Once it gets worn, you just pull it off and put on another one. And now you have this nice, flat, broad surface that you can sand an entire wall or ceiling. It'll conform, because it's a sponge, it'll conform to any shapes on the ceiling, so you get a nice, flat, even surface. Now remember, when you're sanding this, be sure to wear eye goggles and a dust mask to protect yourself from the dust.